Hello everyone. Thanks for coming to my channel. From my channel, you can find Drupal tutorials, also some drone footages. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, which gives me some encouragement to do more videos like this. Uh, so today we're gonna find out how we can use Drush PHP uh, or is Drush Core CLI tool. Um, this is very similar to the PHP interactive mode in any server. Like if you type PHP minus A, gives you PHP interactive mode. Then you can type any PHP snippet here and evaluate. Let's say hello Drupal. It gives, but why does PHP is differ from PHP interactive mode, normal PHP interactive mode? Because of Drush bootstrap all the Drupal. Uh, Suppose like if you are trying to load entity type manager and get a user ID one, um, it will not give you. But let's say if you type Drush PHP, so it gives you. Uh, so that's a major difference between Drush PHP and PHP minus a interactive mode. Uh, let's find out how we can get the name from here. Just like if you query it properly, just like get name. Get value 0. So, yeah, if you give value, what's yeah. So this is how you can debug if you have a one line. You just need to run in the live dev mode or inside a VM or inside a Acquia cloud or Pantheon, any cloud. If you can SSH into the system, you can check some value if you want to evaluate a single piece of code. Uh, so I'll give a little bit background of why I am doing this video. I've been working with the ACSF, Acquia Cloud Site Factory nowadays a lot. A couple of my projects in ACSF. So I need to write a factory hook. Depends upon the HTTP host or the site names, Acquia Cloud site names. So I need to do some pre-settings before the deployment. I need to do something. So just want to make sure that this is that particular code run for certain site. So I need to find out uh, what HTTP host is coming from. So I want to run something like echo server and HTTP TP underscore host. This will not work here because of it's my local VM. So I want to do that in Azure Cloud Site Factory. So I actually forgot this one, how to use the Drush PHP. I don't use much. Generally use X debugger to debug everything in my local. So yeah, sometimes you need to be refresh things. So uh, this uh, this refreshed me quite about doing a lot of live dev. So it's very dangerous to do live dev anyway. So you can evaluate. You should not use anything to update any data, but it's a very dangerous things to do. Um, but sometimes you need to evaluate stuff. It's good to use Drush PHP. Even sometimes PHP minus A also good thing. So I found a solution how to get the IKEA site factory name, site factory site name uh, through a IKEA global variable. So I will write that in a small blog post. Also, I will link that blog post in the description of this video, so you can check it out. Hope this is helps. Um, Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. So I will try to answer. Also, if you want me to do some particular topics, study something and do a video about it, or you want to know some particular thing, please leave a comment. So I will try to do that as possible. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.